Hello, dear lovely student. This is me again, Mr. Ahmed Karim at the private Zhyar and the basic school. So we have a new subject in chapter 4, section 2, and it is variability. Sometimes students, let's say, are challenging or they have a struggle in this subject. So first, variability, it says, describes how spread out the data. It shows us how the data is spread out. In this subject, it's very important to know that you have to order the numbers or the data from least to greatest. Please be careful. We cannot order them from greatest to least. It's only from least to greatest. If you order any question or any data, so you are going to get a, let's say, from least to greatest is the correct one, but greatest to least, you will get a wrong answer. That's why you have to be careful. The first step you have to know it is ordering the numbers from least to greatest. Then we have some vocabularies, we have to know them. First, we have median. In each data, we have median, so the median is the center of the data. Then we have, let's say, the left side of the median. Also, we have the right side of the median. The left side of the median we call lower half. Here, this part, the orange part here, this is called lower half. And also the right side, there, we call it upper half. Lower half and also upper half. Okay, then the median of lower half, where is the lower half? This is the lower half. The median of lower half called first quartile. So if you want to find the median of the lower half, okay, we have, so we got 3. So 3 called first quartile, Q1. First quartile of that data is 3. Again, the median of lower half called first quartile, and the median of upper half called third quartile. If you find the median of upper half, we will get 9. So this is going to be Q3, or you can say third quartile. Third quartile. So this is about lower half, upper half, first quartile, okay, third quartile. And also we have another word, another thing, that is interquartile range. Interquartile range means third quartile minus first quartile. Okay, here the third quartile is 9 minus the first quartile is 3. 9 minus 3 is going to be 6. So the interquartile range is 6. Interquartile range is 6. Again, interquartile range is third quartile minus first. So this is all about the new vocabularies in the subject. Then we have an example. It says find the first and third quartile for each data set. We have this data 80, 78, 92, 85, 88, 90, 88, and also 89. I told you first that we are going to order them from least to greatest. So this is the order: 78, 85, 88, 88, 89, 90, and 92. Second step, we are going to find median. We are going to find median. The median of this data, as you see, it is 88 is the median. So the median is 88. Then we have lower half and also we have upper half. I told you the median of lower half, the median is, this is lower half. What is the median? It is 85. So this is going to be Q1. So the first quartile is 85. The first quartile is 85. The median of upper half, 90, this is going to be Q3. So it's going to be, sorry, it's going to be 90. Then interquartile range. Interquartile range means Q3 minus Q1. Q3 was 90 minus first one it is sorry, it is 85. So 90 minus 85, it's going to be 5. So interquartile range is 5. So we have a note. It says if the number of data is even. What if we have even data? It means like 8, 10, 6, or 12, and the even data. If you count them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You have 12 data. So as always, first step, we are going to order the data from least to greatest. So this is the order 11, 12, 13, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18, 18, 19, 21, and 21. This is the order. Because we have even data, we will get, if you find the median, okay, then you can see the two numbers are left in the center. So we have two numbers. You cannot choose 16 or let's say choose 15. We have to find a number. How to find it? We are going to say the median is 15 plus 16 divided by 2. It's going to be 31 divided by 2, and it is 15.5. So the median is 15.5. Okay, so there is a note, please. You have to be careful. Because for the median, we have two numbers. How to identify or how to separate lower half and upper half. So here, 16 is included for the upper half here. This is the upper half. Do not say skip 16 and 15 here. This one's going to be upper half, and the other side is going to be lower half. It's not correct because you have even data. Then 15 and 16. 16 with the upper side, or let's say right side. This is upper half. And also for the lower half, from 15, okay, 15 and the rest of the numbers, this is going to be lower half. Okay, so right now we have 11, 12, 13, 13, 14, and 15. Then what is the median of lower half? The median of lower half, you have 11, 15, 12, 14. You can see that 13 and 13 left in the center of the lower half. So the median of lower half is 13 plus 13 divided by 2. 26 divided by 2 so is equal 13. So the first quartile is 13. The first quartile is 13. For the upper half, we have 16, then 21, 18, 21. We have 18 and 19. 18 and 19 in the center. So we have 18 plus 19 divided by 2. It's going to be 37 divided by 2. And it's going to be 18.5. 18.5. Finally, we want to find interquartile range because the third quartile, this is third quartile, third quartile is 18.5, okay, minus first quartile, it's going to be 5.5. This is interquartile range. Again, I'm going to repeat it. Please be careful with the even data. When you find the median, it's two numbers. There are 15 and 16. So 16 goes with upper half and 15 goes with the lower half. Then we are going to find first quartile and also third quartile. Okay, then we have another part of this subject. It is how to draw box and whisker plots. It's quite important to know that how to draw box and whisker plots. So here we need least value, the smallest number in the data, and also greatest value, the biggest number in the data. Then we need median, also first quartile, and finally we need third quartile. It means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you want to draw, okay, box and whisker, we need 5 informations. Then, how to find them? First, it says use the data to make box and whisker plots. Okay, the data are this set of data. Okay, we are going to order them from least to greatest, from least to greatest. So this is the order from least to greatest: 15, 16, 19, 22, 22, and so on. Okay, as always, first step, find the median. Find the median. The median of the data, when you cancel a number from left and right, you can see that 38 left in the center, so this is the median. The median is 15. Then we said that this is the median, or the first information has been found. Second one, we need least value. What is the least value? The least value is 15. What is the greatest value? The greatest value is 63. So right now we have median and also we have the least value, the greatest value. Two more values left, and they are first quartile and the second quartile. The first quartile is the median of the lower half. 22 plus 22 divided by 2 is going to be 22. So the first quartile is 22. What about the third quartile? 51 plus 51. 50 plus 51 divided by 2 is going to be 50.5. 50.5, because it's going to be 101 divided by 2, it's going to be 101 divided by 2, then it is 50.5. So right now we have the set of the information. We have least value, greatest value, median, first quartile, and also we have third quartile. So right now we are going to draw the box and whisker. The smallest data is 15, then we are going to start with 10. Okay, 10, 15, okay, then 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 16, 65, 30, and so on. So we are going to write the numbers: 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, and 45. 45, then 50, 55, 60, 65, and finally have 70. Okay. The least value is 15, so we have 15. This is the least value. The greatest value is 63. This is 60, 1, 2, 3, so this is like 63. 63. Then the median is 38. We have 35, 40, so 38 is close to 40. So here this is 38. 38. Then the first quartile is 22. We have 20, 21, and 22. So this is the first quartile. Then, what about the third quartile? It's 50.5. You have 50 and 50.5. This is here. Okay, we have checked, or let's say mark all the informations here. Then we have to draw the box. How to draw the box? For drawing the box, try to connect the first quartile and the third quartile. First quartile and third quartile, connect them with the box. Okay, this is the box. What about the whisker? Okay, two small lines here. For the least value and the greatest value, this is going to be the whisker. That's why we call it a box and whisker. This is the box, Okay, and this is the whisker. So again, to find or draw box and whisker plus, we need least value, greatest value, median, first quartile and third quartile. After you plot them on the, let's say, number line, then for the third quartile and also first quartile and third quartile, make the box. For the least value and greatest value, try to connect it to the box. This is going to be the whisker. So we have box and whisker. Then we have some ijtimai questions here. It says find the first quartile for the given numbers. We have these numbers 78, 92, 85, 88, 90, and also you have 88, 89. You have to order them from least to greatest. So 78 is the smallest. Then we have 85. Okay, then we have 88, 88. After that, we have 89, 90, and 92. 89, 90, and 92. It says first quartile. It means you have to identify lower half, then you can find first quartile. So find the median. So the median is 88. Then where is that lower half? Left side is lower half. What is the median of the lower half? Is 85. That's why the first quartile is going to be 85. What is the last quartile? Sometimes in the national exam, it doesn't say third quartile. It tells you last quartile. Last quartile means third quartile, so you have to be careful. This is the data. We have to order them from least to greatest. We have smallest one is 3. Well, let's say the least one is 3. Then we have 6. Okay. 3, 6. Then we have 8. Then we have 13. We have 17, 18. Okay. Then 25 and 55. 25, 55. As always, find the median. For the median, okay, so two numbers left in the center. This is the median. We don't need median. Okay, just I need 5 median. So here we have 6 plus 8 here. 6 plus 8 divided by 2, it's going to be 14 divided by 2, so it's equal 7. So the median is 7. Be careful. Again, I'm going to remind you, because we have an even data here. Okay, lower half is from 13. Okay, then for the upper half, 17 and above. But I think we made a mistake here. 7 is the first quartile, but it says third quartile. So third quartile is 18 plus 25. 18 plus 25 divided by 2. It's going to be 33 divided by 2, and it's going to be, I think we don't have the correct answer here. The answer does not exist here. So the answer is going to be 33 divided by 2 is going to be 16.5. Okay. So one of the important questions is that question. Sometimes we have a graph. Okay? We have a given graph. Then we have some questions about the graph you have to answer. So this question is very important. This is the graph. It's given. Okay? It's already given. Then it says use the graph to answer questions from 3 until 9. The first question it is, what is the median of the graph? What is the median? If you look at the graph, you directly know that this is the median. So median is across 48. That's why we are going to choose 48 is the median. Then, what is the range? Range is the greatest data minus the least data. So here, the range is 53 minus. The least data is 38. 53 minus 38. So then it's going to be the range is going to be 15, because 53 minus 38 is 15. The greatest data is here, but sometimes students are going to make a very big mistake. When you say greatest data, they are going to count 54 here. But do not pay attention on the line. Pay attention to the graph. The greatest data here, this is the end of the graph, it's on 53. The least data is not that one, okay? It is here. This is the least data, it's 38. So we have 53 minus 38 is going to be 15. Then, what is the first quartile? The first quartile, you know that it's located in the left side, so this is the first quartile, it is 44. The first quartile is 44. What about the third quartile? The third quartile located in the upper side, so upper half, then we have 50, this one's 51, so the third quartile is 51. Then what is interquartile range? It means third quartile, 51, okay, 51. Interquartile range means upper quartile, let's say third quartile, 51, minus 44. So it's going to be 7. The interquartile is going to be 11 minus 4, so it's going to be 8. So 8 is the interquartile range. It's not range, it is range. And also, the other questions are, what is the greatest value? The greatest value, it is 53. So here, for the greatest value, 53 is the correct answer. What is the least value? It is 38. So the correct answer is 38. So, dear lovely students, this is the end of our class. So I hope you get benefit from the subject. Thank you so much.